everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to share few of my favorite home organizers. These organizers will help you to store the things and keep them clean. They save space and they are time savers to search for the things. So let's see what are they and how they can be helpful. One of the important organizer every home needs is battery daddy. Battery storage case with the tester. It has also clear case which can protect the batteries. It can store more than 100 batteries of different sizes. See, we can organize them different batteries together. This tester is also removable and we can test each and every battery. So this is the main advantage. With this unit you can test it whether it is working or not. When you purchase a lot of batteries, you need to verify whether it is working or not. Here we are testing one of the batteries with the tester. So it is showing green, so we can use it and keep it in this storage. This is a iron coat rack stand. It has 16 hooks. I purchased this one from the IKEA. The base is very strong. We can use this one in any area. We can use it to hang our coats in the winter time, or also you can put it in the entry area to keep your bags or handbags or hats. So it is very easy to use for the kids or for us. This is also another variation of the coat hanger or coat rack. This is very lightweight and it is under $10 only. I use this one in the closet to hang my handbags or coats. This is also very easy to put it on this and take it out. It can also hold a little bit weight on this one. You can also use it to keep the towels on this one. It occupies a very less space, but it can hold a lot of weight. This is a 3-tier rolling cart. It's a very good organizer for any room. We can store multiple things in this one. It is a multifunctional and it saves space and we can easily take out any of them. We can keep the snacks, medicines, books or anything. There is unlimited uses. Purchase this one from Amazon and the assembly is very easy. I used this 3-tier organizer in my office area to keep my books and pens separated. I have different planners and organizers and also I stored the medicine at the bottom area. So we can take it out and it can be a reminder to grab it from every day. So this is a very beautiful organizer. You can use it in any area. Since my desk is very small, I place this one next to my table. It also comes with the removable and adjustable dividers. We can use this one in any of the basket. I use this one in the bottom to place my medicine. This is another organizer, stackable wired basket organizer. When you have a very less space in your pantry or kitchen, we can use this one. This is a very useful item. We can store different items vertically, so it can save a lot of space. You can also get like 4 or 5 or 6 stackable baskets. I am using it to keep my bread and onions. We can also store the pans separated. This is a stackable fruit basket. We can categorize different type of fruits and we can store them. We can also store tomatoes or potatoes in this one to save some space in the fridge. So this is also very useful organizer in your kitchen. This is also one of the good organizers. I purchased this one from IKEA. We can also use it in the any cupboards, but here I used in the kitchen to separate out the salt and pepper and ghee and butter. So many things it can hold. So I really like this organizer. Thank you for watching and I will see you in another video. Bye.